Welcome back. So now let us make that form functional. So before making that, we need to open the views.py, and inside views.py, let's import one more line package Django shortcuts import redirect, right? And save this one, and then come back to views.py, and in views.py we are going to modify the post new function. So currently in our post new function, what we have is we are simply rendering the form into on post edit.html. So now what we are going to achieve, so if request, if the post form is valid, then only it should redirect or save it. So to do that, we are just going to make it first, let's say add it if statement. So if request dot method post, then form post form request post, then if form is valid, then what it should do is post form save commit false, then it should with the author of the post, then it should request the user and post published date with the time zone, right? And then it should save the post, and then it should return and render the post into post detail, right? So it should be it should redirect on post detail first, detail and pk post dot pk, right? If this is not done, else for post form, right? And then it should render it on a post underscore detail.html, right? So now how this is going to work is, let's check it out in the front end, whether it is working properly or not. So let's open. There is some syntax error. If request dot method is okay, I have made one more space, so remove the space and refresh this page. So let's click on that, and it says cannot. Okay, okay, validation is working correctly. Now what we are going to do is, if we are going to make this post edit functional by adding into the URL also. So let's quickly add it into the new URL for post edit, and let's add it post. Let's quickly copy this and add it here to avoid any mistake, and this one let it be the same, this one also let it be the same, and this one we are going to make it edit, and this one is going to be post edit, right? And this one again post edit, right? Now since we have updated our URL, so we are going to update our views also accordingly, so that currently you can see the content is not rendering. So to do that, open your views.py, and there is a we haven't defined any function for post edit, right? So we need to add one function for post edit, and request pk, and let's say get the object or 404 post pk primary key if request dot method is post, then render the form post form, and request dot post instance post, and if form is valid, and then it should do post form save false, other request the user sorry and then with the publish state should be time zone and it should save, and then it should redirect to post detail, right? And then with the post dot pk else form post form instance post, then it should render return render request, it should render on the template, let's say post edit.html, right? And with the dictionary form Now so we have made it functional for that. Now what we are going to see is if we save it and refresh this page, so there is some syntax error, post publish views.py line number 36. So open line number 36. So we have left missed the equals to sign. So now refresh this page. So now click on that and okay, so it is not coming. We have made some mistake somewhere. Let's close the server and run it again. And so let's open quickly the post edit and let's see where we have made mistakes. Definition, post edit, post get objects or 404, post request form, post form, then request post instance, post form is valid, then it should save commit false with the request dot user publish date time zone dot now, and should post detail else form, post form instance form instance is equal to post return. Okay, so since this is correct, let's go to the URL and let's see where we have. So okay, here post edit, post underscore edit, name, post edit, okay, so URL post pk equals to root edit views post edit and name and post edit somewhere also might be. Let's check post new. So okay, somewhere we have made a mistake. Okay, so let's I will go through this very quickly and we'll check it out what mistake we have made. Somewhere in post new, let's say if request dot method post form post request, then request dot post, if post is valid, everything seems to be correct, but where it is post detail, and okay, so we'll quickly find the error and we'll discuss in the next one. See you in the next one.